Hey everybody, so today we're going to be unboxing, doing a specifications and information video on the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7 and 9 inch angle grinder. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is going to be a unboxing specifications video. This is the M18 Fuel. Generates 15 amp corded power, up to 2 pounds lighter, 9 inch grinding capacity. This is the 7 and 9 inch large angle grinder. This is, I would consider, a rat tail grinder. Part number is 2785-20. I did get this with a free 8 amp hour high output battery. More than likely I'm going to sell the battery. So we're going to do the specifications. Oops, light off. I have my camera light is charging, so I'm using one of these Braun Harbor Freight lights. So wheel diameter is 7 and 9 inch. Switch type is trigger. Spindle is 5/8 by 11. RPM is 6,600 revolutions per minute. Length is 18.5 inches. Weight is 8.7 pounds. Line lock out, yes. Overload protection, yes. Tool-free accessory change, yes. Tool-free guard, yes. Electronic clutch, yes. And anti-vibration handle, yes. Just like typical normal Milwaukee, you know, they got their, graphs and everything on the back. Generates 15 amp corded power compared to a 15 amp corded competitor. I'd assume the competitor is not themselves on this photo because it's gray. For this one, both of them are Milwaukee red. 14.2 pounds for 15 amp corded Milwaukee. 11.9 pounds for the M18 Fuel. 9 inch grinding capacity. Number 1, power state brushless motor. Number 2, red plus intelligence. Number 3, red lithium battery pack. All M18 tools. Blah blah. You guys didn't come here to listen to me talk about their mumbo jumbo. Let's cut the box open. The box is in pretty good condition, even though it was just tossed in a box with another like 10 items. That was my Samsung Galaxy Note, same Droid, because I set up the notifications for it to sound like an Android or an old Motorola Droid. Okay, so first thing I pulled out the box is an instruction packet, and I do encourage you guys to read this. I'm not going to read it on camera. I'm going to read it off camera. Again, it's 2785-20. It comes with the M18 M12 little booklet, and it comes with a entry to win this toolkit or a t-shirt. I actually did win a t-shirt. I won, I had the choice between an M12 and an M18. I chose the M18 at the moment. I figured if I win another one, I'll get the M12 next time. Let's see. It's just easier to pull the whole package out. Yes, it's a lot easier just to pull the sleeve out of the box. I'm going to set the box aside. Keep the box for a few months or whatever, and then I'll cut the serial numbers off and save them. So first thing we pulled out is the handle. I do like Milwaukee's handles. They're very comfortable. A lot of overmold, very thick plastic. Does not feel cheap. This looks like they give you a wrench, even though it's toolless. It is marked with Milwaukee on it. Got a nice steep step to it. It's always nice in case you can't use the toolless system. I do wish you got both size guards. For whatever reason, they only give you one guard with this. It is nice that this has this kind of attachment system. I like this attachment system a lot better than what my my 5 to 6 inch braking grinder has. I do wish they gave you both guards though, like the DeWalt Flex Volt grinders, the 60 volt grinders. They come with both guards, so they come with the 4.5 inch and the 6 inch guard. And the Milwaukee one I'm talking about that I don't like the guard system on it is the 4.5 inch to 6 inch braking grinder. Excuse me. It does have the same style flip up as the braking grind, the 4.5 inch to 6 inch braking grinder. Same tab. It's got this shroud. Let's see. It slides in pretty smooth. Gotta move this down. Seems really loose. There it goes. Yeah, it still seems loose though. I don't like how loose the guard is. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it is a lot. Now I'll check to see if there's anything that needs to be tightened. I don't like that. That irritates me that it's it's so loose. They didn't provide a blade either, which would have been nice. This bag. Pick this up and move it over here. She's a big one. It's only got 2 attachment points for the handle, left side and right side. Yeah, doesn't have one on the top. Here's the scrunch, the instructions, and that's basically it. Here's an 8, fully charged 8. And yeah, I still wish that it would have sent, you got the 7 inch guard and the 9 inch guard would be nice. If anybody knows how I can get a 4.5 inch guard that I can put on my 4.5 to 6 inch braking grinder, which I don't remember the model number, that one. Let me see. That one is this guy right here with the paddle. Looks exactly the same as this one. This has a rapid stop brake. Same collet. This one has this weird style. If I get close, you can see how loose this spring guard is. And the screw just will not tighten. This model is 4.5 inch to 6 inch. It is 2980-20. You guys know where I can get a 4.5 inch that takes that style guard. That would be helpful. definitely wish that even this guard was tighter. I'm not sure why it's... I think, for whatever reason, DeWalt does a better job on these guards. Where the DeWalts are very, very snug. I can grab a DeWalt real quick, but you can see how loose it is. Here's an example of DeWalt. I like the DeWalt's lock system. It's got a nice spring action. If you gotta take these off first. So the way theirs works is pop it on, push down in the spring tension, and twist, and then it locks. And it has very, very minute play. It's not a lot, but it's stiff. And it's something that, this is the second Milwaukee grinder I've gotten, and it's the same problem. To me, it's a little aggravating that I've gotten 2 Milwaukee grinders, and they both seem to be the same. Having the guard issues is a little aggravating. So I'll put these back on in a minute. But let's put this battery on here. So this wrench does not fit on here. It does not fit at all. That's not good. So that's useless. That's no bueno. Guess it would work if it was up here. Yeah, it fits up here. But probably should work if there was a blade on it, I would presume. I'm just gonna tighten this down, hand tight. We're gonna just kick it on. It is loud. Definitely moving a lot of air. So that's just a complete video on that. We'll do another video of it in use. Take the battery off. It's a quick unboxing of the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7 and 9 inch large angle grinder 2785-20. It's everything that it came with. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Let me know if you guys have an issue with your Milwaukee grinders and their guard systems as well. Hey everybody, so I forgot to add this to the video. I'm just going to splice it in. But this is the Milwaukee Fuel 7 and 9 inch grinder. Here's the shroud, the tool. If you can't get the toolless nut off. It did come with this Milwaukee high output XC 8.0, which is model 48-11-1880. It did come with this for free. I'm just going to splice this into the main video real quick. Again, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme tool affiliate links, and my DJI electronic affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and stick it around. Take it easy. Peace.